Creating an action plan. The TPM Action Plan can be used to help TPM practitioners track activities and progress in implementing TPM. There is an action plan associated with each of the 6 strategies, each section containing specific milestones, strategies, and actions. As collaboratives move through each strategy, they can utilize their action plan to make sure they are addressing the strategy activities and identifying milestones and outcomes associated with each of the strategy objectives. Action plans can be created by host organization and collaborative administrator users. Business administrator users can add to and edit action plans, but cannot create a new action plan. To create an action plan, access your TPM dashboard by selecting Manage, then Dashboard. Using the To-Do checklist, select the Go Here button next to Create an Action Plan. Located under the collaborative you want to create an action plan for. First, click the New Action Plan button and select the collaborative you want to create the action plan for. Then select Create Action Plan. Next, you will be prompted to give your action plan a name and description. Complete the required fields and click Create. The action plan will have a tab for all 6 strategies. Each tab contains specific strategy and action items for the specific strategy tab you are on. To get back to your list of action plans, use the My Action Plans tab. To print your action plan, use the Print Action Plan tab. For each strategy tab, you will complete the action plan information for the identified strategy and action items by using the Add button in each of the columns. Starting with the first strategy and action item on the Strategy 1 tab, identifying potential focus areas, main points, begin identifying the next steps by selecting the Add button in the Next Steps column. You will be prompted to add text. Identify the planned next steps for this strategy and action item. After adding your text, select Save Changes. Next, we will identify the organization or persons responsible for this strategy and action item by selecting the Add button in the Organization or Persons Responsible column. The Organization or Persons Responsible column allows text to be typed in to assign ownership of responsibility. Additionally, the green Attach Users button can be used to attach users from your collaborative to specific strategy and action items. To attach a user, select the Attach Users button, then click the Add button next to the user's name you would like to attach to the strategy and action item. When the user is attached, they will receive a notification anytime a change is made to the action plan. After adding your text and attaching users, select Save Changes. Next, we will identify the timeline for this strategy and action item by selecting the Add button in the Timeline column. The Timeline column allows text to be typed in to identify the timeline for each strategy and action item. After adding your text, select Save Changes. Next, we will identify any additional notes and/or documents that go with the strategy and action item by selecting the Add button in the Notes and Documents section. The Notes and Documents column allows text to be typed in to make additional notes for each strategy and action item. Additionally, documents can be uploaded. To upload a document, you will type in the name you would like the document referred to. Select the Choose File button, then browse your computer to find the desired file. Then click the Uploads button. Your file will then show on the Notes and Documents modal. Click the document name to open the document. After adding your text and all the necessary documents, click Save Changes. To fully complete your action plan, you will complete each row in each of the strategy tabs as you move through the TPM process. To view and edit the content, you will either select the green Edit Document icon or the green Edit icon. The green document icon will let you view the content in a modal window that contains a green Edit icon. Select the green Edit icon in the modal to make edits. The green Edit icon will take you directly to the item to edit. Your action plans are always accessible in the gray bar located at the bottom of the page. Anytime you are using the TPM web tool, you can click the action plan icon, select your action plan from the drop-down, and it will open for you to review. You have successfully learned how to set up and manage an action plan in the TPM web tool. Next, learn how to create a host organization.